Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get the Amulet of the Dead Guard in Gothic 1 Remake. The Amulet of the Dead Guard is an accessory you can obtain early in the game. It is tied to a quest that you can turn in for some easy early game experience, or you can hold on to it to increase your stats early on. First things first, you need to be in the old camp. What you'll want to do is stand in front of Thoris, then turn right and follow this linear path. Keep following this path until you reach the southern exit here on our right. Exit the old camp and continue walking past this area. Just beyond the location where we gather hellcaps, you'll find a cave entrance. There are two enemies right here that you'll want to defeat before you enter the cave. Enter the cave and you'll see this body lying on the ground. Loot the body, and here you can find the Amulet of the Dead Guard. This amulet gives 5 points to edge damage and 5 points to blunt damage. And that's how to get the Amulet of the Dead Guard in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.